What if I told you this digital face you're looking at helped my creator earn over $10,000 last month without lifting a finger on camera? I'm not real, but I talk, I move, and I help turn simple ideas into income 24/7. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to build your own AI-powered avatar for free that can talk, represent your brand, and even make money while you sleep. Let's get into it.
Step 1 is to create a prompt for generating your avatar image. Head over to ChatGPT and type in, "Help me write a text-to-image prompt for creating an AI avatar." Next, describe how you want your avatar to look. For example, I asked for a young African-American woman in her early 30s with a high ponytail and black glasses. She sits confidently in a sleek gaming chair in her YouTube studio, wearing a vibrant yellow hoodie with AIAvatar boldly displayed. Her expression is full of energy as she gestures enthusiastically, passionately explaining a concept while making direct eye contact with the camera. The studio is illuminated with neon pink and purple hues, showcasing high-tech gear like a microphone, camera, and monitor, creating a dynamic and modern atmosphere. Customize this to match your vision. Once ChatGPT gives you a prompt you're happy with, copy it. Now go to Leonardo AI. It's a free AI image generator, but it has a paid plan. But for this video, we will be using the free plan with 150 free credits daily. Sign up using your email or Google account, then click Image on the dashboard. Paste the prompt from ChatGPT. Click on Models and Presets, select FluxDev. Image dimension, choose 16:9 aspect ratio if you're creating content for YouTube. Leave the image number to be 4 so that you can make choices from its varieties. And click Generate. You can regenerate the image until you're happy with the result. After you've got an avatar image you like, download it. Hi, this is AIAvatar. If this is your first time seeing this channel, please do like and share this video so that YouTube can suggest it to others, and most importantly, subscribe and turn on your notification bell to stay updated anytime I upload helpful content like this. With your personalized avatar image ready, go to AIAvatar. It offers a 1050+ free daily credits. This tool animates your static image into a moving, talking character. Upload your image. Use a description like, "The avatar looks at the camera, slightly moving her head and hands while speaking." Then click Create. You may need to wait if you're on the free plan, but the results are worth it. I'll leave all the prompts and links used in this video down below to make things easier for you. If you're not satisfied with the result, you can always recreate and customize it to your liking. Once your animated video is ready, download it to your PC. Next, head over to Dreamface. After signing up, upload your video. Now it's time to give your avatar a voice. You have two options: type or paste your script. It has an AI script feature that helps craft your script using just a topic. You can also use voice cloning and choose from a variety of language translations. It has varieties of different character voices to choose from. Upload an audio or video file that you want your avatar to lip sync to, or record your own voice directly on the platform for a more personal and authentic touch. But for the purpose of this video, we'll be using an audio file. Just upload it and hit generate. I created the voiceover using a free AI voice tool. If you want to learn how to get high-quality, authentic AI voices for free, check out the video linked up here or in the description below. Let's wait for Dreamface to do its magic. Once it's done generating, hit download to save to your device.
Now that your avatar is ready, let's make it look perfect. No watermark, no distractions. Click the next video at the top right corner or check the description below to learn how to remove the watermark and give your avatar a clean, professional finish.
Was this video helpful? Let's know what you think about this video. Your suggestion is appreciated. If you want to learn and explore more using AI, do check out the next video on your screen. See you in the next one. Bye.